Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on groceries with Aldi step by step clearly. Start by understanding that Aldi operates on a no-frills model. This allows them to offer low prices compared to other grocery stores. First, make a meal plan for the week. This helps you create a focused shopping list. Next, check Aldi's weekly ad or online deals. Look for sales on items you need. Now, prepare a shopping list based on your meal plan and the deals you found. Be sure to stick to the list while shopping. Before heading out, gather your reusable bags. Aldi encourages eco-friendly shopping. Once at the store, consider shopping during off-peak hours. This makes for a quicker, easier experience. Grab a quarter for the shopping cart. Aldi requires a quarter to unlock a cart. Don't worry, you'll get it back when you return the cart. Start in the produce section and choose seasonal fruits and vegetables. They are typically cheaper and fresher. Next, head to the aisle for private label products. Aldi's store brands are often more affordable. Compare prices with name brand items to ensure you're getting the best deal. Make your way to the freezer section for frozen foods. These can be budget-friendly and have a long shelf life. You may find great deals on products nearing their expiration dates. As you shop, keep an eye on unit prices. This helps you determine the best value. If you're buying snacks or beverages, consider larger sizes. Cost per unit is often lower for bulk items. After shopping, double-check your receipt to ensure prices match. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.